Ukrainian SOF captured Russian troops during settlement clearance operation and enemy held. The Special Operations Forces of Ukraine have released footage from a successful special operation in which Ukrainian operators infiltrated an enemy-held settlement, secured a designated sector, and captured a Russian serviceman during a carefully planned raid. The mission was carried out by Group F of the 1st Detachment of the 144th Special Operations Forces Center in one of the active operational sectors. While the military did not disclose the exact location or timing of the operation for security reasons, officials described the mission as another example of the unit's ability to conduct covert operations deep within contested territory. The operation began with a stealth infiltration into the settlement, allowing the Special Operations team to approach enemy positions without alerting Russian forces. Maintaining the element of surprise, the operators moved into the designated area and established control over their assigned sector before initiating a systematic clearing operation. Following the successful infiltration, the Ukrainian operators conducted a thorough mop-up of the sector, searching for and neutralizing remaining enemy resistance while ensuring the area was secured. During the operation, the team captured a Russian serviceman who was taken prisoner in accordance with military procedures. According to the Special Operations Forces, the capture represents not only a tactical success on the battlefield, but also an important intelligence opportunity. Prisoners of war can provide valuable information regarding enemy troop deployments, command structures, defensive positions, logistics, and planned operations. Such intelligence can support future missions and contribute to protecting Ukrainian personnel operating along the front. The prisoner is not only further confirmation of the effectiveness of Ukrainian operators, but also an important source of intelligence that will help to eliminate the enemy and save the lives of Ukrainian servicemen, the Special Operations Forces said in a statement accompanying the released footage. The mission highlights the role of Ukraine's Special Operations Forces in conducting reconnaissance, direct action, and precision raids in contested areas. Unlike conventional infantry operations, SOF missions often rely on detailed intelligence, careful planning, and stealth to achieve their objectives while minimizing exposure to enemy forces. Operations involving the capture of enemy personnel are considered particularly valuable because they can produce actionable intelligence that complements information gathered through aerial reconnaissance, electronic surveillance, and intercepted communications. Intelligence obtained through lawful interrogation of prisoners may help commanders develop a clearer understanding of enemy capabilities and intentions, enabling more informed operational decisions. At the same time, the Ukrainian border guards have successfully thwarted another Russian assault attempt in the South Slobozhansky sector, destroying an armored vehicle and eliminating a 10-man assault group before it could reach Ukrainian defensive positions. According to the Kharkiv border guard detachment, the latest engagement took place near the settlement of Artilna, where Russian forces attempted to launch a coordinated assault aimed at breaching Ukrainian lines. The attacking force consisted of 10 assault troops supported by an armored vehicle, which was intended to provide protection and fire support during the advance. However, Ukrainian border guards detected the movement of the enemy force well before it reached its objective. Using aerial surveillance and battlefield monitoring, Ukrainian defenders identified the assault group while it was still advancing toward the front line, allowing them to prepare an immediate response. Once the Russian troops entered the engagement area, Ukrainian forces launched a precision strike, targeting both the infantry and the armored vehicle supporting the attack. The rapid response prevented the assault from gaining momentum and left the attackers with no opportunity to reach Ukrainian positions. The strike proved decisive. According to the Kharkiv Border Guard Detachment, the entire Russian assault group was destroyed during the engagement, while the accompanying armored vehicle was also eliminated. The destruction of both personnel and equipment halted the attack before it could develop into a larger confrontation. The successful defense highlights the importance of early detection and rapid reaction on the modern battlefield. By identifying the assault force while it was still on the move, Ukrainian border guards were able to engage the enemy at a distance, denying Russian troops the opportunity to establish a foothold or threaten frontline positions. The South Slobozhansky sector has remained an active area of combat, with Russian forces continuing to launch small-scale assaults in an effort to probe Ukrainian defenses and improve their tactical positions. Such attacks are frequently supported by armored vehicles designed to transport assault troops and provide covering fire during advances. Ukrainian defenders, however, have consistently relied on reconnaissance assets, coordinated fire, and rapid decision-making to disrupt these operations before they can achieve their objectives. Meanwhile, a Russian serviceman was reportedly killed after making a desperate attempt to stop an approaching Ukrainian FPV attack drone with his bare hands, according to footage released by Ukrainian drone operators. The video, which has circulated online, shows the Russian occupier emerging suddenly from a patch of vegetation as a Ukrainian kamikaze drone approaches. In an apparent attempt to avoid the strike, the soldier throws an unidentified object toward the drone, seemingly trying to knock it off course. The attempt fails, and the drone continues its approach. In a final desperate move, the serviceman reportedly rushes toward the drone and reaches out with his hands in an effort to stop or capture it. The incident highlights the increasingly difficult conditions faced by troops on the battlefield, where small FPV drones have become a major factor in modern combat. Ukrainian drone units have repeatedly released footage showing attempts by Russian personnel to hide, evade, or disable incoming drones, often with limited success. The FPV drones have transformed frontline tactics by providing operators with a relatively low-cost but highly effective tool capable of striking targets with speed and precision. Their widespread use has forced soldiers on both sides to adapt their movement, concealment, and defensive measures. The latest footage adds to a growing collection of battlefield videos documenting the challenges troops face when confronted by rapidly advancing drone technology.
Да! Парень, прием, парень,